Why being single is better than being with the wrong person? O, mas mabuti ng single ka kaysa may kasama kang mali namang tao. Sabi ni Zoe, hi! Sabi ni Jonathan, hi ma'am, good morning sa inyong dalawa, Zoe 11 and Jonathan, good morning. Brandon, John LG, good morning. 221 million viewers in the house, good morning. So ito nga po ang ating topic natin for today's video. Ayan, mas mabuti ng maging single kaysa meron kang kasamang maling tao. Okay? A relationship is like a tree. It needs to be planted and cultivated. Ayan, ano? It also takes the commitment of the two individuals involved to make it grow. Ayan, ang relasyon ay inaalagaan na parang tanim. Ayan, ano? It hurts when a relationship is not going in the right direction. And that is why being single and loving yourself sometimes makes you happy. Minsan mas masaya pang maging single ka na lang, meron kang peace of mind, kesa naman meron kang karelasyon na, well, gago naman, wag na lang, di ba? So because at the end of the day, we really want to be understood and appreciated. This is why it is important to be in a relationship only for the right reasons. So, syempre, hindi natin sinasabing huwag kayong makipagrelasyon. Ang sinasabi lang natin, pumili kayo ng tamang tao para sa inyo. Good morning. Ano ba ang pinagsasabi nito? Hindi kita naiintindihan. 233 million viewers in the house. Good morning. Shoutout muna tayo. John Bonnet. Ayan, Aegis. Good morning sa'yo. Jason Samurai, gandang umaga. Good morning. Ayan, ha? So, 232 million viewers in the house. Bakit nga ba mas maganda, mas masaya maging single kaysa naman nasa isang relasyon ka with the wrong person, maling tao. Ayan, mahirap kasi, no? Nang kasama mo ay maling tao. Isang toxic na relationship, no? Napakahirap ng ganun. Jonas Manila, good morning sa'yo. Julito, good morning. Lawrence, good morning. Cherry Ann, good morning sa'yo. 259 million viewers in the house. Good morning. Okay, so number 1. Nag-hello si John Mark Sean. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko na maintindihan kung ano yung apelido mo. Verly Ann, hello, good morning. Cherry Ann, salamat sa pag-follow. So, number 1 reason, no, you don't wallow in regrets. Sabi dito, being with the wrong person means you are trying to please and give to someone who doesn't understand the depth of your emotions. Kapag nasa maling tao ka, hindi ka naman na-appreciate niyan. No? Hindi ka naman na-appreciate, hindi ka naman iniintindi, wala namang pakialam sa'yo, parang wala ka ring karelasyon. Bakit ka pa nakipagrelasyon, di ba? Sabi dito, you have to offer your emotions to the right one. Siguraduhin nyo na tama para sa inyo yan. Wala namang taong perpekto, pero merong tamang tao para sa inyo. At the end of the day, you feel contented that you have fulfilled nature's cause. Living with the regrets of what ifs, how come, what went wrong, only builds into disappointment, anger, and revenge. Yung lagi mo na lang tinatanong sa sarili mo, ano ang kulang? Ano ang pagkukulang ko? Ano ang mali sa akin? Ganun, di ba? Pagka ganun ang pakiramdam mo, ibig sabihin, you are in a toxic relationship and you are with the wrong person. Kaya pagka ganon, mas mabuti pa rin ang maging single kaysa naman may kasama kang ganon. Hindi ka naman din mahal. TBS. So number 2, ito gustong-gusto ko. You deserve to be happy. 220 million viewers in the house. We all deserve to be happy. Time check tayo, 7:22 Manila, Philippines time. Good morning. Welcome to Kape Lang Walang Tayo. Cheers. Okay, so number 2 reason kung bakit mas masaya maging single, you deserve to be happy. At kung hindi ka masaya sa relasyon mo, hindi ka masaya dyan sa karelasyon mo, you deserve to be happy. Mas masaya maging single. Sabi dito, being happy is a right we should all have as a given. Gets 160 million viewers in the house. You deserve to be happy. Ayan, sa mga kailangang makarinig niyan, uulitin ko, you deserve to be happy. We all deserve to be happy. Okay? Being happy is a right we should all have as a given. So why spoil it by showering the wrong person with affection? Nagmamahal ka, nag-aalaga ka ng maling tao. Nagmamahal ka, tas ikaw hindi ka naman minamahal pabalik. Para saan pa? When you're single, you are able to identify your priorities and pursue those things that really make you happy. Diba? Kaya nga sabi natin kahapon, mag-ano kayo ng mga hobbies na makakatulong sa inyo, na makakapag-grow sa inyo. Shoutout sa mga na-good morning. Si Grace Manalansan 4. Hello sa'yo. Good morning. Arlene Cruz 884. Happy Monday sa'yo. Hello Cupcake. Hello Dennis Notarte. Reno Alfeche. Good morning. Bunny's Forn. Hello. Toy 73. Good morning. 50 million viewers in the house. Good morning. Shoutout sa'yo Grace Manalansan. Salamat sa pag-follow. Good morning everyone. Hindi tayo nagpapa-co-host sa mga alien. You deserve to be happy, no? Ayan, so pag ikaw ay single, na-identify mo yung priorities mo, nakakapili ka ng hobbies mo or nakakapag-umpisa ka ng hobbies mo that make you grow or help you grow, no? You will be able to spend time with people who understand and care about you. Okay, focus on discovering where to invest your energy. Kesa naman yun nga yung energy mo nakafocus dun sa isang tao na hindi ka naman minamahal pabalik. Wala namang pakialam sa'yo. Yung tipong nang hihingi ka lang ng update, ay aawayin ka pa. O, diba? Yung mga ganong tipong tao. Ganyan, guys. Ang topic natin is, ito nga, why being single is better than being with the wrong person. Mas mabuti pa maging single kesa naman may kasama kang toxic na tao. Love yourself, guys. Okay. Good morning. Number 3 tayo, or your life is too short. Napakaikli ng buhay para sayangin sa maling tao. Hindi ka ba nanghihinayang? Charot. Your life is too short, manghinayang kayo sa buhay nyo, no? Para, gugulin. Para to spend it with the wrong person. Diba? Sandali, basahin natin mabuti. If only we had all the time in the world, we could explore a singular option for so many years. Diba? Maging single yan. But we do not have the splendor of enough time. In fact, hindi nga natin alam kung gaano tayo tatagal sa mundong ibabaw. Hindi ba? Ikaw ba alam mo? Ayan. But we do not have the splendor of enough time nga, no? It is important to explore and reach out to people and things that would give our life a meaning. Ayan. Yung magbibigay ng kahulugan sa buhay mo. The wrong person won't. Ulitin natin, ha? It is important to explore and reach out to people and things that would give our life a meaning. The wrong person won't. So why waste your time and theirs, diba? Kapag nasa maling relasyon ka, nagsasayang ka lang ng oras sa aminin mo man at sa hindi. Nasasayang ang buhay at oras mo. Nasasayang ang lakas, ang energy mo. Dahil hindi naman tayo bumabata. Diba? Lahat tayo ay patungo sa pagtanda. Ngayon, kapag ikaw ay tumatanda, nagbabago ang iyong pangangatawan. Nagbabago ang itsura mo. Lahat tayo ganyan, no? Hindi magic yan. Walang magic na makakapagpabalik sa nawalang oras o nasayang na oras at panahon. Wala. Kaya pahalagahan mo ang oras mo. Don't spend it with the wrong person. Bakit mo pinag-aaksayahan ng panahon at pagmamahal ang isang tao na hindi ka naman pinapahalagan. Hindi ka naman pinapahalagahan, hindi ka naman minamahal. Bakit? So, yon, no? Number 4. Ito, if you're single, you are not awkward at showing your love. Ayan. Sabi dito, even when showing or displaying your affection results in you coming off stupidly, you should have someone who loves you in return and appreciates such a stupid gesture. Yung tao ba na minamahal mo ay tanggap ka din bilang ikaw na kahit mukha kang tanga ay mahal ka pa din. Kasi kung hindi, hindi yan tunay. Okay, you don't deserve to be disrespected. Okay, ulitin natin. You don't deserve to be disrespected or ill-treated for your remarkable feeling. Ayan. Yun bang nag-express ka ng pagmamahal, ganyan. Tapos ikaw ay, wala lang. Babastusin ka lang, ganun. Babaliwalain ka lang, ganun. Gusto nyo ba yun? Masaya ba kasi sa ganun? Sa palagay nyo? Pag hindi, nako lang. Again, you don't deserve to be disrespected or ill-treated. Nothing should be awkward about loving someone. Ayan. Pero if you are loving the wrong person, awkward talaga yan. Sayang naman ang pagmamahal mo kung maling tao naman ang minamahal mo. Hindi ba? You don't deserve to be broken. Ayan ang number 5 natin. You don't deserve to be broken. We know how that feeling is like. Shutting yours. Ulitin natin. You don't deserve to be broken. No one deserves to be broken. We know how that feeling is like. Shutting ourselves indoors and lamenting over our loss. Perhaps we believed he or she would have been the perfect match. Akala ko siya na, ganun. 11 million viewers in the house, nakaka-relate ba kayo sa pinagsasabi ko? Yung akala mo siya na, tapos hindi naman pala. Ayan. When you are single, you have control over your emotions. You can manage your situation alone and somehow you are detached and unbroken. Kaya nga it's better to be single than be with the wrong person. Kasi kung yung maling tao na yan, nandyan nga, no? May jowa ka nga, may partner ka nga. Hindi ka naman pinapahalagahan. Hindi ka naman minamahal. Tinatarantado ka naman pagtalikod mo. Di ba? Halimbawa, may asawa ka nga. Asawa nga. May singsing nga kayo. Kasal nga kayo. Pero kung yung asawa mo na yan, pagtalikod mo, nalayo ka lang ng konti, nalingat ka lang ng konti, lumalandi na sa iba. Masaya ba buhay? Tapos post kayo ng post ng mga sweet moments sa social media, pero wag ka. May kachat yung iba. Hindi naman sa pinapag-overthink kita. Kaya lang, may mga taong ganyan. Diba? At pag ganyan yung klase ng tao na sinasabi mong mahal mo, ay sus, mas mabuti pa maging single ka na lang. Mas mabuti pang maging single ka na lang kesa naman niloloko-loko ka lang. Pinili ka nga. Pinili ka kasi alam niya na kayang-kaya kanyang loko-lokohin lang. Dahil pumapayag ka naman na magpaloko. Yun lang ang masasabi ko sa'yo. Hindi yun kainggit-inggit. Hindi. Okidoki. So yan na nga. You don't deserve to be broken. Okay? So, ayan, guys. Number 6 tayo, you have your self-esteem kapag ikaw ay single. You have your self-esteem kapag ikaw ay single. Always Thea. Hello, Baller. Good morning. Benji4818. Good morning sa'yo. 5 million viewers in the house. Good morning. Happy Monday. You have your self-esteem. No? Hurt, disappointment, and anger doesn't build confidence or self-esteem. Kapag patuloy kang nasasaktan, nagagalit ka sa sitwasyon na ganyan, tapos hindi ka rin naman kumikilos, it doesn't build your self-esteem. And over time, mauubos ang self-confidence at self-esteem mo. Uubusin ka niyan. Yang maling tao na pinagmamalasakitan mo, balang araw, uubusin niya ang pagkatao mo hanggang sa hindi mo na makilala kung sino ka. Hindi mo na alam ang halaga mo. Again, that is your choice, no? Bahala ka kung yan ang gusto mo. Hurt, disappointment, and anger doesn't build confidence or self-esteem. Your self-esteem is built upon being in the right relationship. Why compromise your self-worth or self-esteem for someone who is not deserving of it? Pag hindi niya deserve ang pagmamahal mo, hindi niya pinapantayan yung energy mo, wala naman siyang commitment sa'yo, bakit ka magsasayang ng oras at pagmamahal sa ganyang klaseng tao? Perhaps looking inwards at those relationships that count should be a priority rather than offering it all to someone who doesn't desire it. You should keep only a relationship that credits you rather than discredit you. Yun nga no, yung sa relationship, malalaman mong nasa tamang relationship ka kung pareho kayo na nag-grow, nagtutulungan kayo, nag-grow kayo pareho. Ngayon, kung hindi, kung doon sa relationship na yon, parang bumababa ang tingin mo sa sarili mo, mababa ang tingin niya sa'yo, mababa na ang tingin ng ibang tao sa'yo dahil sa relasyon nyo na yan. Abay, magdesisyon ka. Gusto mo ng ganyan? Ikaw ang bahala. Ikaw ang bahala. Pero sinasabi ko sa'yo, balang araw, baka hindi mo na makilala ang sarili mo. Yan ang sinasabi natin, love yourself first. Kasi pag alam mo kung ano yung halaga mo, alagaan mo yan. At kung alam nung tao na yan, nung partner mo, ang halaga mo, iingatan ka niya. Pero kung hindi niya nakikita ang halaga mo, wala siyang pakialam kahit mawala ka. Bakit mo sasaktan ang sarili mo para mahalin ng isang taong ganyan? Tino-torture mo lang ang sarili mo. That is why it's better to be single than be with the wrong person. Number 7, bakit nga ba mas magandang maging single, no? You experience freedom. Malaya ka. Freedom is a rare commodity and an asset. Not everyone has it. Negative circumstances like being in a wrong relationship stifle and deter you from being at your best. No? Kapag nasa toxic kang paligid, you are with a toxic person, wrong person. Yan. Puro mga negative ay nangyayari, no? Hindi ka makakagalaw. Tapos, yan pa yung mga nagiging hadlang ng growth mo. Pag-isipan mo yung mga naririnig mo ngayon. You should eat when you want. You should be able to create your own schedule and hang out when you feel like it. Your happiness should be controlled and determined by you and not someone else. Being alone and loving yourself is one of the most remarkable relationships there can be.